What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be reviewing a gel that I use all the time, and I used it in the video that I made with the ASMR Ryan. This gel here is called Gelactica or Gelactica, whatever you want to call it. It's extremely thick gel. And it gets the perfect style. It really does. You could have curly hair, you could have wavy hair. The hair style is going to come out pretty flawless as long as you know how to style it. So today my objective is to show you exactly how I style my hair, and hopefully you learn something. So here we go. I go ahead and I get about a scoop that big, alright? See that? And right now my hair is, I just got out of the shower, so it's towel dried, okay? I just go ahead and I rub it all over my hands. And you could either go forward or backwards. I like to start forward, just like so. Make sure you distribute that pretty well. And let's go backwards now. Changing it up. Didn't see that one coming, did you? Alright. And I'm not satisfied with the amount I just put, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get another little scoop here, but not as much as the first one. I'm gonna get about this much here. Now, when I style my hair, I like to do a part right here on this side, so I do like to apply more gel on the right side, and to get a nice pump, I go ahead and I apply a little bit more to the bangs as well. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and see that. Alright, it's looking good already. And with the remainder, we're gonna go ahead and get the bangs one more time, and this area here, it's very important that you put enough there, okay? Alright. And then a once over all around. You should have the product gone from your hands. Your hands are probably going to still be sticky, so maybe dry them off with a towel. Anyway, so you're going to need a comb, kind of like this one. You can do it with any other comb, but this one's very sturdy, so I like to use this one. So my first step here is I actually comb the hair forward, at least in this area here. Alright. Now there's a section here where the bangs are actually longer than the side hair, obviously. And you're going to be able to tell once you comb this forward, it splits up here. So here's the long hair. Right, and then here's the short hair. So all I have to do is pretty much find the line right in between, okay? This is very crucial. You want to pay close attention to this part here. I just got to pick a line here. So, I'm going to pick it right here. Sounds good. And I'm going to comb up. Okay? And I'm going to just comb up. So we got our line already. Now these hairs I'm gonna comb down, and they're gonna come downward, and I'm gonna just keep combing them down. And there's a little spot back here. It always happens. Just gotta get that and comb it. There we are. Wow, it's looking good already. So these hairs are combed down. Then what I like to do is kind of comb them back just a little bit. You know, not dramatic. We're not making a scene here. We're just going to comb it back just a tad bit. Alright? Alright. Now the top, we're going to go ahead and comb all the way to the side. We're going to just be dramatic, and we're going to just all the way to the side. There we go. See that? You see this? Get the comb there. Where'd it go? It's not there anymore. Why? Because I know what I'm doing. I'm just kidding. So keep combing this way. And the back, we're gonna kind of comb as well to the side. And make sure that there's no area sticking out back there. Alright, feels good. And now that all the hairs are combed to the side, okay, see that? They're all combed sideways. I'm gonna take this comb here and I'm gonna just, okay, and I'm gonna get that pump that I'm looking for. See if we could get it first try. Nope. Nope. See that? It's not gonna work out, so we're gonna keep that going. There it is. There it is. And that's it. You know, it took how long? What? Minute and a half. Now you got a nice comb over with the hard part without actually having this razored in. This is a natural part. So that's that. That's my review for this. Okay, hold on. Wait a second there. See this hair sticking out? It's gonna bother me all day if I don't do something about it. There it is. Okay, now we gotta just redo this part as well. Okay, see that? All done. Get the eyebrows going. Mustache in check. Alright. And we're set. So that's my little hairstyle tutorial slash review of this gel here. It's a really good gel. Smells wonderful. Smells like a cologne. I can't put my finger on exactly which cologne it smells like, but it's really good scent. Check it out. It's probably about, I believe, like $12 for one of these, maybe 10 bucks. Depends where you find it. But yeah, check it out. I'm not being endorsed by it. I'm just a big fan of it. I'll make another video of different products and different hairstyles that I can do with those products. Thank you for watching my channel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Leave a comment if you have an idea for any future videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. I know the majority of you guys came from the ASMR Ryan's channel. If you don't know who the ASMR Ryan is, please check him out. He's got the best ASMR channel on YouTube. So please give him a like and a subscription as well. Why not? Other than that, thank you guys for watching.